Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to take a journey beyond the internet that you and I use every single day. We're going to map out what's next, this brand new digital world that's being built right now. So, you ready? Let's dive in.
Okay, so to really get where we're going, we first have to understand where we are right now. So let's just start with this simple idea. Picture the entire internet as one huge, buzzing city. For the last, 15 years or so, we've all been living in this city. And it's amazing, right? It's full of incredible apps, awesome games, all our social media. But there's a secret to this city. There's a rule that controls everything that happens inside its walls. We call this place the centralized web, or you might know it as Web 2.0. And in our internet city, it basically means that everything is owned and controlled by just a few super powerful landlords. Yep, those are the giant tech companies we all use every day. Just think about how this city works for a second. When you upload a photo or a video or you write something, it's not really yours. It lives on the landlord's property. They can take it down if they want. They can change the rules whenever they feel like it. See, you're not an owner here. You're just renting space.
So here's the real kicker. How do these landlords make all their money? Well, they watch everything you do, every single click, every like, every search. That data is like digital gold to them, and they sell it. In Web 2.0, you aren't the customer, you're the product. But things are starting to change. People are getting a little tired of playing by the landlord's rules, so they're building something completely new. It's kind of like everyone's leaving the big city and heading out to a wide-open digital Wild West, a new frontier.
And this new frontier, it's built on one absolutely revolutionary idea, that you, the user, can actually truly own your digital stuff, your data, your art, your creations, for the very first time. So you're probably asking, okay, how on earth is this possible? What makes this new world tick? Well, it all runs on a really cool piece of technology that completely flips the old rules on their head.
That technology is called the blockchain. Now, the easiest way to think about it is like a giant shared digital notebook. But here's the key. Instead of one company keeping that notebook locked away, thousands of copies are kept on computers all over the world. No single landlord owns it.
So here's how it works in a nutshell. When you do something, like create a piece of digital art, a record of it is made. That record gets bundled with others into a block. Then that block is digitally chained to the one that came before it. And once it's on that chain, that's it. It's permanent.
And this amazing feature has a fancy name, immutability. All it means is that once a record is written on the blockchain, nobody can change it or delete it. Not you, not a big company, nobody. And that is the magic that makes real digital ownership possible.
Okay, so a permanent, shared notebook is cool, but what does it actually mean for you? Well, this technology gives you some really incredible new powers over your life online. I mean, just look at this chart. It shows the power shift perfectly. In the old city, a platform can delete your account and poof, your profile pic is gone. In the new frontier, you own it as an NFT in your own digital wallet. It's yours, forever. Sending money? You don't need a bank. And making the rules? Instead of some CEO, the community gets to vote. The power literally moves from the landlords to you.
Let's make this super clear with an example. Let's say you're a gamer, and you've spent weeks designing the most powerful, amazing sword for your favorite game.
All right, in the old city, Web 2.0, you design this awesome sword, but the game company owns it. If they shut the game down, or if you decide to leave, your sword just disappears. It's gone. But in the Web 3 frontier, you can mint that sword as an NFT. Now it is your property. You can sell it, you can trade it, you might even be able to take it into a different game. You actually own the value you created.
And that is why we call this a quantum leap. It's not just a small change. It's a massive shift in power, away from the giant companies and back into the hands of individuals, back to the creators and the users.
What's happening is that you are basically being handed the keys to a whole new kind of internet. These are the keys that give you control over your own data, the keys to truly own your creations, the keys to your digital identity, and even the keys to vote on how your favorite platforms are actually run.
Now, it's really important to know that this new frontier is still under construction. It's kind of messy, it can be a little confusing sometimes, but it is absolutely packed with opportunities for you to get in there, explore, and even help build it.
So, as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with a little challenge, a thought experiment. The next time you're on your favorite app, just ask yourself this.
If I was the one who owned this platform, what's one rule I would change to make things more fair for the people creating things on it?
Because the most amazing thing about this new world isn't just about using the internet, it's about building it, and it's about owning your own piece of it. It's time for all of us to start thinking like an owner.